Have you ever worried that your mistakes will make a native English speaker laugh at you? Don't worry, we love it when you try, and I'm going to tell you 6 reasons why. Plus, if you stay all the way to the end, you'll find a bonus reason that kind of blends these all together and sums it all up. So stick with me to the end. Reason number 1. Let's be honest, English is everywhere. Movies, Netflix, YouTube, airports, business meetings. That means native speakers rarely have to learn another language. So when we meet someone learning English, we get excited. If we help you improve, we don't have to struggle with your language. We think, great, the world is meeting us halfway. Reason number 2, we guess meanings easily. English speakers are used to many different accents: American, British, Australian, Indian. Even in England, you could drive for 1 hour and the accent has completely changed. So we are good at guessing what you mean, even if your grammar isn't perfect. Now, I live in Thailand. In Thai, the word for dog is ma, rising tone, and the word for horse is ma, high tone. If you get the tone wrong and say, I'm walking my horse, Thai people will look shocked and wonder where your horse is. But if you say that to a native speaker, if you make a similar mistake, we just laugh and think, oh, they mean dog. So we use context to figure it out. Reason number 3, helping you is helping us. It makes our lives easier. If we teach you one new word today, tomorrow our conversation is smoother. No need to repeat ourselves 10 times. No Google Translate. So when we help you, we're also helping ourselves. Reason number 4, English connects the world. English is the language of international travel and business. If you fly from Bangkok to Paris, the pilot speaks English. The flight centers speak English. All the messages are in English. If you visit Tokyo Disneyland, the safety announcements are in English. Even astronauts on the ISS speak English. So it is the language of the world. It's the international language. Reason number 5. Let me give you some amazing facts. Over 1.5 billion people speak English worldwide. About 1 in 5 people on Earth speak English. Nearly 60% of the internet is in English. So you're unlocking a huge library of information. Even companies like Samsung and Airbus use English as their official language. Now, as of September 2025, these facts are valid. If you're watching this video in a year or so, maybe these have changed. But for right now, these are true. Reason number 6, mistakes make us laugh. In a good way. Sometimes your mistakes are just funny, and that makes learning even better. I always say, classes have to be fun. The last 5 minutes of your class has to make people laugh. It has to make them smile, because they remember the last 5 minutes of the class. If the last 5 minutes of the class is fun, that's what they remember, and they go into the next class with that mindset. Not a bad mindset, a good, funny, fun mindset. So I once had a student say, "Teacher, my stomach is very noisy. I am hungry like a tiger." Now, I understood that perfectly, and I still laugh when I remember it. And I could make a whole video on funny things that my students have said. That's maybe an idea for another video. Let me know down in the comments if you would like me to make a video about some of the errors that my students have made in the past. Okay guys, thanks for watching to the end. Now, as promised at the start, I do have a bonus one for you. It kind of blends these all together, and it's very, very British. What is it? We're lazy. We're lazy. We don't want to learn another language. We go to Spain. Why do you not speak English? Oh, why do you not speak Spanish? When we come to Thailand, why do you not speak English? Why do you not speak Thai? English people especially are lazy when it comes to learning languages. So the 6 reasons that I've already given you are true. But if you could just have one, I would say native English speakers are just lazy. We don't want to learn another language. Our language is complicated enough as it is. We have rules, we have exceptions to the rules, we have exceptions to the rules. We have regular, we have irregular. Many of these you just have to remember. But if I want you to take anything away from this video, it's this. We're lazy, okay? So remember, native speakers are not judging you. We love it when you try. It makes our life easier, it connects us with you. And yes, it means that we can stay a little bit lazy. If we don't understand, or if we want more information, we will ask questions. What do you mean? Where do you want to go? I don't understand. Can you give me more information? So don't worry. I hope this video helps you speak to native speakers more often. A little bit of encouragement, a little bit of courage, okay? So thank you all for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to watch another video about 20 tips that will help you sound more fluent, watch this video here. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to learn. I love reading your comments. Until next time, guys, thank you. I'll see you later.